You can list down all the holidays throughout the year for the institution on the Intract app. To do so, click on the holidays feature and then click on the add sign at the bottom right corner. Select the date for the holiday, and if any description you can add that, and then click on submit. You can see the created holidays for the particular month. Now, if you want to edit any holiday, click on the three dots that you see beside the holiday and select the edit option and write edit. You can also delete a holiday. Click on the three dots and then choose the option as delete, and you can delete the holiday. You can filter the holidays by month. Thank you.